I love this type of painting because it's how I want to work these days, free and easy and carefree, and just appreciating the beauty of nature without tight formal lines, just having fun with my art. And this is what I'm writing about in my novel. I'm writing a cozy mystery series, and my main character has been in a very tight career, a legal career, and she's also been the hostess for a man who's got a background in crime, and she's wanting to break free, get away from the past, get away from harshness and formality of her work. And so she joins an art class, Paint with Passion, and it makes her become more intuitive and think more deeply about the lifestyle she's led and her need to get away from it. And in getting away from it and developing the intuition in her life, she becomes an amateur sleuth, the perfect cozy mystery main character. And there'll be a lot of fun and thoughtful mystery series that will spring from that. And so I'm deep into writing those novels, and at the same time I'm illustrating the type of work that my main character would be doing to free up. Now, I'd love you to follow this. I'm putting out newsletters, and there will be sample stories, there will be full novels being given away to my newsletter subscribers. I've started with the first book of each of my other series that are complete, and there'll be samples of the early chapters of the work in progress that I'm doing now. So if you look into the comments below, the description of this video, you'll see my website. You go to my website, you can select one of those free books and join the newsletter. There's no obligation whatsoever. You can unsubscribe at any time. And yes, well, I'm hoping that you will become as interested in my heroine, my person who's just taking up art and wanting to work free and easy, as I'm enjoying creating these projects. The writing, I'm trying to do about 2,000 words a day, which takes me quite a while. I work well, but I work slow, and I'm also trying to put out these videos showing this lovely loose style of work. This is done with watercolors and watercolor pencils. Often I will use ink, line and wash. So there's no set medium that I will work with. I'm working to enjoy myself. I'm a former professional fine artist, and it's just lovely to just paint for the sheer love of it these days, and to start putting more time in and producing novels, something that I've always wanted to do, and I've been doing it for the last decade. As I said, I have 2 complete series finished, and I've started this new cozy mystery series, and I'm putting out some free books for you so that you can get to know my work. And if you love them, leave comments, leave reviews, and follow me and get my recent releases. I'm also looking for other authors that I think you might enjoy, and putting out some of their first books in series that they will offer you for free. So there'll be lots of wonderful bonuses there for my newsletter subscribers. So as well as subscribing to this channel, I hope you'll pop over and subscribe to the newsletter, and let's get to know each other better. Happy creativity!